I'm Abigail Posner, anthropologist, brand strategist, former creative and people leader at Google. I've spent decades decoding what makes people tick, building ideas that actually break through, and leading teams through chaos without losing their souls. The rapid acceleration of AI has us all scrambling to figure out our roles, what makes us unique, and how to stand out with a point of view that actually matters. That's exactly why I'm doing this now, because now I'm obsessed with one question. How do we stay wildly human, fiercely creative, and uniquely impactful when the world refuses to slow down? Look at the people who do it best if you want to answer to this. Think about Questlove. DJ, filmmaker, author, food historian. He changed how we preserve and celebrate Black culture. Or Serena Williams, tennis champion, entrepreneur, maternal health advocate. She not only transformed her sport, but also reshaped conversations about equity and women's health. They tapped into what's uniquely theirs and leveraged it across everything they touch. That's the human code. Human code is about what makes each of us truly human and how to amplify it. It's about being expansive, developing bolder ideas, and standing out in ways that really matter, and leading with influence, and finally connecting more deeply. Here's what I'm not doing: blabbing endlessly, writing just to have something to say. Instead, here's what I am bringing: tips and tricks to unlock your next big idea, hard questions that challenge you, conversations with people who are doing the work, hot takes on what's happening right now, anthropological perspectives on AI that help you harness your humanness, and keys to moving through the world with more influence. Human code, it's your advantage. Master it. Let's go.